everyone. Today we will discuss about the topic common network security terms such as asset, vulnerability, exploit, threat, attack, risk or countermeasure. Then our first topic is asset. Asset, it is anything which the organization is invested and which is valuable to the organization, such as property, vehicles, heavy equipments, plants, building, employees, computers, data, intellectual properties. We can also say in the term of IT, server, data centers. These all are the assets or the firewall devices, routers, switches, and etc. All are the assets of the company. Protecting the organization assets is the prime function security, right? Physical security, and we have the network security. Then we have a vulnerability. It can be defined weakness in a system or its design. Every system is human created, as all people know that every system is human created, so it has chances for the error, mistakes, and and system vulnerability will be created also there in the application, network protocols and operating systems. An attacker to gain access to an organization is a network can exploit vulnerability. Okay. Then what is exploit? It can be defined as a way, method or tool which is used by an attacker on vulnerability to cause a damage to the target network system, or we can say cause the damage to our asset. Okay, the exploit can be a software that may cause a buffer overflow. Okay, that may cause the overflow or method of social engineering to hack a password to get the data. Okay, so this is the exploit. Then we have a threat. Threat, it can be defined as anything danger to an asset. Okay, threat can be accidentally triggered or intentionally exploited. So examples of threat are spyware, hackers, viruses, keyloggers, lost data, Trojan, identify theft, Trojan horse, slow response, online predators, pop-ups, worms, rootkits. Okay. Then we have a attack. Attack can be defined as an action taken by an attacker to harm our assets, our devices, to get the data. Okay. Passive attack or other attacks. It can be direct attack or it can be indirect attack. Then we have the term risk. Risk can be defined as a potential for loss, okay, compromise, damage, destruction, or other negative consequence of an organization's assets. Okay, risk arises from threat, multiple threats, and exploiting vulnerability. Risk forms an adverse negative effect on organization's assets. Risk is equal to asset plus threat plus vulnerability. Okay, so risk is our potential for loss, compromise. Okay, then we have a countermeasure. Countermeasure, it is an action initiated by the organization, typically security professional, to mitigate a threat. Okay, mitigate means to less the threat. Okay, then a circle of risk. This the circle of risk. First, attacks, exploit vulnerability, exposed to risk, then mitigated by countermeasure, protect assets, compromise threats, materialize by attacks. Okay, this is the circle of risk. So I hope you have understand the common common terms in securities. Okay. If you have any query, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for today.